I found myself in my melody, my melody. I don't care if I sing off key. I found myself in my melody, my melody. Life is full of things that we can't do anything about it. In the ocean, it's just a word off the mouth. Trying to establish the perfect peace, speak it out. Celebrating harmony so everybody shout out loud. Keep doing what I do to make the crowd proud. I was born for victory, let them know that's what's up. Living with purposes, don't eliminate belief. It's just a matter of those things that I can achieve. My powers and my strength leading